Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can go to fly mode on Dress to Impress, like the POV. So unfortunately, you do need to be on your PC. I think you have to have your shift lock on, so just enable it in settings here. Then on your keyboard, just select Shift P, and then you can basically zoom in and out using your cursor and kind of move, like look up and kind of like go up to fly like this, and you can basically look at like the other islands there is on Dress to Impress. So just control it on your keyboard. So this is just me using W and S and then D and then A. If I want to go up, I have to look up and then go W and then like readjust my camera. It's the same thing like swimming on Dress to Impress. If you want to go back to your character, just simply press Shift P and then it will go back. That is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.